Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, am I in the shot?
I think you are.
There you go.
Try again. Good morning.
Oh.
Right, we have gone and picked up some lovely pastries. This is the favourite, this is the only thing that Andrew really wanted to do when we came over here, was buy pastries. Because they are lovely. And we've got a nice coffee to start the day. There you go, my dear. I'll show you how big they are. The pastries.
The size of my head.
Honestly, the pastries over here are so lovely. If you haven't been over here, you don't understand. I mean, this is a pan of chocolate. Huge. And the croissant is just as big. So, yeah, we have a bit of brekkie now before we head off. Nice coffee. And relax rather than rushing to our next destination.
Could I be naughty?
I'll show you breakfast.
That'll do it, won't get caught.
No, exactly.
There's Tracy.
I'm happy.
Happy. She's got her maps out.
Yep. Like I said, yeah, so we've got our Garmin. It's a Garmin.
Yeah.
I've got my sat nav for my phone and the maps as a backup. So we're just following the route down. Nice free roads, nice quiet roads, smooth roads. Can't really complain.
Nice view.
Yeah, all going well. We've got about between 3.5 and 4 hours to our next point, but we'll stop before that.
Oh yeah, stop that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stretch your legs and.
Yeah. We're undecided about an aire again or a campsite. We've got both options. Campsite's coming up as full. I don't believe it, but we'll see when we get there. The aire's got about 4 or 5 spaces, and that's only €5.
Yeah.
So we will. I think the campsite first. We'll go there first, and then if we can't get on there, we'll head to the aire or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
We shall see. But we got 4 hours to worry about that.
We've got 4 hours to worry about it, so it's not.
We might change our mind again by then.
That just looked like a nice piece of road there, that did.
Yes, nice bit of road, yeah. Yeah. The campsite is a municipal campsite, which means they are closed for 2 hours every day between 12 and 2. So you check in before 12 or you check in after 2 o'clock.
Yeah, so we're probably getting there around after 12.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna go try the aire first.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's quiet.
Yeah.
If it is, we'll go there. The only issue is obviously they don't have showers or toilets.
No.
And you can't cook outside or get your chairs out.
No.
But it's cooler today. It's 15 degrees, so it's perfect for travelling.
Yes.
So we're not sure if you might get a bit of some rain. We had a bit of a thunderstorm.
We did
last night.
In the
rain for like half an hour, something like that, and then it dried up. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, that's the only downside of an aire or a camping car. But we filled up with water before we left, dropped the grey waste, emptied the toilet, got everything done. So we got full fuel, loads of food, so everything's gravy.
Yeah.
So if needs be, which we probably will, is have a shower
in the van.
In the van at the aire.
Yeah.
And it's €5.
Well, yeah, between €5 and €6
yeah.
with taxes and stuff like that. It's nothing, is it?
And then if you do use up all the water, fill it back up just before we leave.
Yeah, because they've got water point there, they've got waste point there, they've got a toilet drop there.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's literally 5 or 10 minute walk up to a nice chateau.
Yeah, we can go out and have a nose on the scooters maybe or something.
Well, yeah. So
just easy on the scooters.
So we're talking ourselves into that one. I think the more we're talking about it, I think that's probably where we'll end up.
Yeah, I think so. We'll go there. If it's full, then try the other place, and if that's full, try somewhere else. There's plenty of places, but hopefully, fingers crossed. Especially by the time we're looking to stop.
Yeah.
This should be fine.
Yeah, sorry, this one isn't a camping car, so I can't look at spaces, although I wouldn't rely on that anymore now anyway. This is just an aire, so yeah. Lovely.
We shall see.
Lovely, lovely. this is the 954. Go, my dear.
Oh, thanks.
Do you drink now? Yes!
Can you believe it?
Le Mot Bouvant. We've been coming down here this way for years with the caravans, and we didn't realise we were going to come through it
No.
at all. The girls will recognise that. Well, they'll recognise the sign. I think we're coming at it from a different way. Well,
Yes,
we are
we are.
definitely coming at it from a different way, but I'm not quite sure which bits we're going to recognise. But
We won't recognise it yet.
no. It's Sunday.
Oh,
Isn't
they've got a circus going on or something.
That's why. It's like a fair. Yeah. Yes, there we are.
Oh God, look at that. I've got yeah, it's an event, look,
Yeah.
on the lake.
Lovely. Huh. I see it busy. Oh, like a little boot sale going on as well. Like little knickknacks for sale. Wow, it's very busy. Yeah, we've never come at it this way. We've always come in down this road here. Oh,
Yeah, we come off there.
we come off there
Come off here
and
and come down here, which is where we're gonna go now.
then yeah,
Oh, it's quite busy.
yeah. Good thing we're going straight out.
Yeah, Ali Courts Restaurant Resort.
Ali Courts Resort. That's the one. Hello. Wow, we found a lovely little park here. We just thought we'd pop in for 5 minutes and we've ended up stopping for lunch, which is unusual for us. We usually keep going, or we've already stopped by now. But here we are. Right. Yeah, so this park is Salisbury. I think we came
In the town of Salisbury, yeah.
Yeah, nice little spot.
Quite mild, about 20, 21, 22, I think.
Something like
So,
that, yeah. So. Lovely.
normal French. Dinner, lunch, I should say.
Cheese and ham.
Nice cheese and ham, yeah.
Got a little bit of baguette left for later. Come here, for birdies. Okay, we are 3 minutes away from the air. So we're hoping and praying that this space is, because I don't think I can travel much more now. I feel like we've been on the road forever. But if not, we have spotted another air back up in the town if there's no space at the campsite. So we've got 2 more options.
Yeah, we've got a few contingencies.
But we're kind of hoping we haven't got to go back up the way we came. You want to be heading further down, not further back up. How long now? .1 kilometre. Chateau de Ainay Le Vieil. Let's get the route in then.
Yeah, Ainay Le Vieil. That's how you pronounce it.
Susanna Videng's probably creep up on you this junction. Yeah, see?
Like this.
Like that.
Oh, well done, darlings. I think so.
Can't go down there. Can you go down there? Oh. Nope.
There it is.
Oh my gosh. Yes, up here on the left.
Let's hope there's space.
Aire de Beauvoir. Well, it looks like there's space, Ben.
Well, that it is. Nice.
Yes, there's space.
There's only one person here.
Ah, very nice.
Right.
Where do you want to park? Our door is this way. Not that it matters, so we could reverse in, but
No, I'll go this way. Is it?
okay. Doesn't really matter. We're only two here. We can sit outside.
And
We
yeah,
have arrived. Good morning. Wow, what a place. So we found this place on Search for Sites and we'd seen our other YouTubers have come here. And it is just quiet. It was €6, including taxes, local taxes. And look, it's just fields. There's 6 pitches there. When we turned up, there was another van here, but they went about 5:30. And then it was just us. And we've had the whole place to ourselves. We've got bins down there. We've got the usual Elson water points there. We're parked here on the grey waste point, which we don't need to empty our waste today.
Oh, hi.
He's got the lovely job of doing the toilet today. Yeah, this is where we are. They're showing the airs in the area and the service points in the area. It's a really lovely little place. And then over here is just your tariffs, how much it is, and any other information you need in French, but you know, could translate. And it was such a peaceful sleep. It was absolutely lovely. So, we're up and out now this morning. Oh, goodness me. And it's raining. It's raining today.
We're travelling, so it doesn't matter.
But yes, I was going to say we are travelling, so it really doesn't matter. And yeah, we're going to be tolling it today. We didn't yesterday.
You skipped a load of it though, haven't you already, on the A roads?
Yeah, so we did a lot of A roads yesterday, which was great, and it was lovely, and the scenery was great. But now we're just thinking, let's just get down as far. Well, try and get to site today. So we're going to hit the tolls.
Yeah, yeah, but we're also, excuse me, we're also south of Burgess, and we haven't hit one toll.
Yes, we paid €13.80 at the top half. And that was all that we paid so
Just
far.
after Calais, coming down to Abbeville.
Yeah.
That bit there. As soon as we come off that, haven't had any more. There was supposed to be that little bit that we've explained on the A17.
Yes.
But that toll's not there no more. It would only been a cheap one anyway.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah, so.
we're going to sign off on this video,
Yep.
and we will pick you up later on. Thank you for
See you later.
watching. See you later.